Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are in Fennimore, Wisconsin, where on June 12, 2020 at 11:30 p.m., a Fennimore police officer observed a vehicle within city limits traveling northbound on Lincoln Ave. The vehicle abruptly turned into a gas station before two female occupants exited the car and ran inside the store. Once the occupants of the vehicle were back outside, the officer spoke with them as his investigation begins.
Well, when I'm standing here, I can actually smell the odor of intoxicants coming from inside the vehicle. Okay? So, given your ages, yes. Yes, I do. So, do you want to be honest with me?
Okay. I spilled something.
Okay.
We did spill stuff, but
we weren't drinking. We spilled stuff. We were taking stuff to Fennimore. That's why.
You were bringing stuff to Fennimore.
Yes.
And we were waiting for our friend to come get us because we have alcohol in the car.
Okay. That's another violation. Okay. So why don't you guys hang tight for me? I'm going to run your information, and then we'll deal with this accordingly, okay?
Are you going to give us tickets?
I haven't decided yet. Had you guys been straight up and forward with me right off the get-go, things might have gone a lot differently, though. Okay? Go ahead and have a seat for me, okay?
After confirming the identity of the driver and passenger, the officer returned to the vehicle to obtain preliminary breath samples.
I'm going to give you guys PVTs. Okay, if you guys blow zeros, I'm going to cut you loose, but I'm going to take the alcohol. Okay? Other than that, no tickets. So you guys going to blow zeros? You're not going to blow zeros? No? Machine does an internal test, make sure the machine's working properly. It is testing properly. You got anything in your mouth?
No.
Okay. Deep breath in. Go ahead and start. Keep going. Go, 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 go. Good. Go ahead and grab the tube for me. You're at a .025. All right. Go ahead and have a seat for me. How much have you had to drink?
A couple.
What's a couple?
6.
6? That's more than a couple.
But we pulled over here because my cousin's girlfriend's coming to get us.
How'd you get here, though?
I drove.
From where?
Platteville.
From Platteville? Okay. Just lost my PVT. Hang tight for me, okay?
Before administering a preliminary breath test to the admitted driver, the officer instead positioned his patrol vehicle behind her car and reapproached the suspect as his investigation proceeds.
Kayla, can I have you step out for me? We're just going to sit back here, okay? What time did you start drinking?
11:30.
11:30? Okay. What time did you stop?
30 minutes ago.
30 minutes ago? Were you guys drinking while you were in the car?
No, we stopped somewhere. It was, I don't remember what it was called, Mount Hope, maybe?
Mount Hope? Okay. What I want you to do is I'm just going to have you perform some field sobriety tests for me, okay?
Can I do it with my shoes? Because my shoes, they're sandals, and I have really, really bad balance.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just going to have you stand here for me. Okay, first test, I just want you to keep your feet together, arms down your side for me, okay? Take one step this way for me. There you go. All right, what I want you to do is I want you to follow tip my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to move your head at all. Do you understand? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go up now, okay? Okay, next test is called the walk and turn test, okay? And this test has a starting position. I'm going to get you set up in that starting position right now, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to place your left foot. I want you to go ahead and use that line. Is that okay? Feel comfortable using that line? What I want you to do is I want you to place your left foot on that straight line. Place your right foot heel to toe in front of your left foot. Remain in that. Nope, don't start the test yet.
I'm sorry.
Nope, you're fine. So your left foot on that line, your right foot heel to toe in front of your left foot. Go ahead and do that. Remain in that position with your arms down your side. Don't start the test yet. Yep. So your left foot on the line, your right foot heel to toe in front of it. Just keep your arms down at your side and don't start the test until I tell you to, okay? Can you get back into that starting position for me? Left foot on the line, right foot, there you go. Remain in that spot until I tell you to start it. Do you understand? Okay. Go ahead and watch my feet now, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps down that straight imaginary line. It'll look something like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. This representing your 9th step. Leave this foot planted. Take small choppy steps until you're facing back in the other direction. From there, I want you to take another 9 heel to toe steps down that line. It'll look something like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Okay? While you're performing the test, I want you to watch your feet, count out loud, keep your arms down your side, and don't stop the test until you've understand?
So I go there and then I go back?
Yep, 9 heel to toe steps with your arms down at your side. The turn that was described to you, and then another 9 heel to toe steps back. Okay? Do you understand? Whenever you're ready, go ahead and begin. Just give me a funny. What kind of turn?
My left foot again?
Stepped off the line. There's your foot. Okay, the next test is called the one leg stand test, okay? What I want you to do is I just want you to keep your feet together, arms down your side while I'm explaining it, okay? When I tell you to begin, what I want you to do is I want you to raise the foot of your choice approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay? It'll look something like this. From there, I want you to count out loud. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, until I tell you to stop counting. If at any point in time you set your foot down, just go ahead and pick it back up and continue counting from where you last left off. Okay? Once again, while you're performing the test, I want you to watch the tip of your foot, count out loud for me, keep your arms down at your side. Okay? Do you understand? Whenever you're ready, go ahead and begin. There you go.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 10, 1,000.
Stopping.
11, 1,000. Sorry.
Raise your arm, set your foot down.
12, 1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15, 1,000, 16, 1,000, 17, 1,000, 18, 1,000, 19, 1,000, 20, 1,000, 21, 1,000, 22, 1,000, 23, 1,000, 24, 1,000, 25, 1,000, 26, 1,000, 27, 1,000.
Go ahead and stop. All right, last thing I'm going to have you do is blow into a PVT tube for me, okay? You said you had bad balance?
Yes.
What's causing that?
Do
you have any leg injuries or anything like that?
I hurt my left foot when I was little.
You just hurt it? Did you break it or anything?
No, I pulled ligaments and tendons in my foot and they never fully healed.
Okay. What the machine did there was just an internal check, make sure it's working properly, okay? What I want you to do is I just seal your lips around, tube, deep sigh breath out, you're blowing up a balloon, okay? Keep going. Go, 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 go. Good. Go ahead and grab the tube for me. All right. During the test, I did observe that you were showing signs of impairment. Okay, so I am going to be placing you under arrest for operating while intoxicated. Your PVT result was a .094. Okay, so at this time you are under arrest for operating while intoxicated. Go ahead and turn around, place your hands behind your back. What's that?
How long?
You just need a sober ride to come pick you up.
They're on their way. Can we just wait here?
There's some other testing that needs to be done. Just double locking them so they don't get tighter on you. You know about?
No.
No? I suppose you don't have pockets, do you?
No, I think I have my back pocket.
Okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna walk you right over here. I suppose, do you want your sandals on?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
You're not taking me anywhere, are you?
I'm gonna take you to the hospital.
Can I have my phone so I can call my cousin?
Yeah. Yep. Hold on one second. Where's the alcohol in the car?
It's in the back seat behind the seat.
Okay. Alright.
Following the arrest, the officers inventorying the suspect's vehicle seized a total of 6 alcoholic beverages before speaking to the passenger to inquire on her plans moving forward.
So what would you like done? So we can get you can either come with me and just hang out while we do the stuff that needs to get done with her, or you can wait here and wait for a ride.
Am I in trouble?
So you're going to be receiving an underage citation.
Are you going to tell my parents?
How old are you?
18.
Then no.
Can I get my phone? Just
Yeah.
if I can-
The suspect was eventually taken to Grant Regional Health Center and read the Wisconsin Informing the Accused form, to which she consented to providing an evidentiary chemical sample of her blood.
Michaela, will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of your blood?
Yeah.
The blood alcohol sample yielded a result of 0.09 grams ethanol per 100 milliliters. Absolute sobriety must be maintained if driving while under the age of 21 in the state of Wisconsin. In court, Michaela was charged with operating while intoxicated, first offense, or OWI. On September 30th, 2020, 3 months and 18 days after the arrest, the suspect pled no contest and was convicted of OWI. She was ordered to pay a total of $830 in court assessments. This amount has been paid in full. Michaela was further sentenced to no time in jail, a 6-month license revocation, and ordered to participate in an alcohol assessment. 2 years and 28 days after Michaela's first OWI conviction, on October 28, 2022, at 8:13 p.m., a Crawford County Sheriff's deputy responded to a rollover accident on County Road X in Clayton, Wisconsin. Once on scene, emergency personnel alerted the deputy to the smell of alcohol coming from the driver of the vehicle before transporting her to the Vernon Memorial Hospital. Furthermore, the reporting party claimed that the driver had requested the passerby to not tell law enforcement about the accident. After taking pictures of the damage to the purple 2006 Chevrolet HHR, the deputy went to the hospital to interview the suspect to continue his investigation.
And the next thing I knew, I was sitting on the side of the road and some girl was pulling me into her car.
Okay. Were you the driver of the car?
Yes, sir.
Was anyone else with you in the car? You were alone? Okay. Looks like what you did is you crossed the center line of the road. You left the roadway. That big boom you heard was probably you hitting a power pole. I believe you flipped one time. Do you remember the car rolling at all?
No, I don't.
You don't?
Anything
Okay.
after feeling the gravel.
Okay. Where were you at tonight?
Where was I at? I was at Country Gardens.
Okay. And what were you doing at Country Gardens?
I was having a few drinks with my coworker.
Okay. Do you know how many drinks you had?
Like 6, if that even.
6. Okay.
If that even.
Do you remember what time you got there?
4 o'clock, 4:30.
Okay. And do you remember what time you left?
6:37.
Okay.
7:30 at latest.
Okay. You said you had 6 drinks roughly.
Yeah, if that even.
Do you remember what you were drinking?
The party one and the lemonade.
Bacardi and lemonade?
Yeah, well, the cardinal, but yeah.
Okay. Do you feel like you're under the influence of alcohol?
I definitely felt fine to drive. I mean, I definitely felt like I had a few drinks.
Like,
I definitely felt fine to drive, if that makes sense.
would you say you like had maybe a buzzed feeling but not drunk?
Yeah, definitely. I
Okay.
mean, even less than a buzz. That's why
Okay.
like, I don't understand how this happened.
So what do you feel like caused the crash?
I don't know. Maybe I overcorrected, which I definitely think might have happened because I got scared.
Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, because you admitted to having some alcohol, okay? I believe that the alcohol had a factor in this crash.
Okay.
Okay. And I think we could probably both agree with that if we were completely honest with ourselves. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to charge you with an OWI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to need a blood draw from you, which we'll have the nurses do. I'll complete my paperwork here. I'm going to read off a form to you, and then at the end of that, you'll answer yes or no if you'll submit to that blood test. Does that?
Let's go to jail.
You will not go to jail. Since you were in a crash, I'm not going to take you to jail for this. That's for sure. So you won't go to jail.
The suspect was eventually read the Wisconsin informing the accused form and consented to providing an evidentiary chemical sample of her blood.
Will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of your blood?
What would you recommend?
I cannot give legal advice.
Didn't answer me.
Is that a yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Answer will be a yes at 10:08 p.m.
The blood sample yielded a result of 0.108 grams ethanol per 100 milliliters. In court, the now 21-year-old suspect, Michaela, was charged with unreasonable and imprudent speed and OWI second offense. On March 8, 2023, 4 months and 8 days after the accident and arrest, the defendant pled no contest to the OWI charge, while the remaining charge was dismissed. She was ordered to pay a total of $1,529 in court assessments. This amount has been paid in full. Michaela was further sentenced to 10 days in jail, a license revocation for 12 months, an ignition interlock device for 12 months, and ordered to participate in an alcohol assessment.